Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do motion tracking on text in the CapCut PC. So here I've already added a video, and first thing first, you just need to add the text that you want. So I'm going to add text. Okay, motion. Okay, like this, and I'm going to change the color first to make it visible. Okay, I'm going to use this orange color, and then after that, to do the motion tracking, just click on the text and head to the tracking options at the top right corner and click on the motion tracking, and in here choose the area to follow. Okay, I'm going to choose the hand here like this, and then just click on start and just wait until the motion tracking apply to the text. Okay, so now the tracking has been completed, and you can see the result will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button.